Welcome to another episode on our channel. I think this is the last Hot Toys figure that I haven't shown you guys. This is a Thor from Infinity War that was made in 2018. It's a nice looking box and a great looking figure. So I won't, well, I'll go around. I might as well. And of course, information about who made it. It's one of these slip-on things. So I kind of like these slip-on things. So great artwork, I think, and a great figure. So we'll pause now and just get all the items on the table. So here is everything he comes with, other than what's on him right now. He comes with 4 sets of hands, unlike Black Widow that had 5 sets of hands. That's probably because she was a little low on the accessories. He has 2 fisted hands, completely closed. So fisted, completely closed. He has 2 hands that are kind of relaxed, basically. He's got one hand on him that is like this one, which is basically open, kind of just, stretched out. And then he has another hand on him that is a gripping hand. And here's his other gripping hand. So you can put obviously something in it if you want. He comes with 2 sets of arm pieces, seamless, the bare arm look or the chainmail look. So he comes with that. And these 2 pieces go under the 2 circles at the top of his front armor, his shirt-like armor. It goes under the 2 circles. It's very subtle difference between these 2 pieces and the 2 pieces he has on right now. It's just slightly angled inward at the bottom. I really had to look at it to see how they were different, which makes you wonder why they even did that. But he comes with these things that can make him look like he's surging with energy, electrical current, that sort of thing. These would fit over the circles on the front part of his chest armor. And then you could put batteries in. I never decided to display him this way, so I never put the batteries in so that these can have more of a lighting effect. So I can't show you that part, but I'm sure you can find that somewhere on the internet if you're very interested. He comes with this very, again, colorful stand, and it's kind of cool in and of itself. I just don't like colorful stands competing with a figure and taking your attention away from the figure. So I wouldn't use the stand. It does come with the extended stand holder, or stand piece, I should call it. And this thing that can kind of have them in the air, hovering, that sort of thing. I decided not to use that in this situation. And the only other things he comes with are kind of like for his eye, for the blinded part on one eye. But I'll show you that with him when I show him. So we'll pause now and get him to the forefront so you can see how I've chosen to display him. We are back, and the plastic container that held all the accessories is black. So this was really nicely hidden in the black case. This is just an alternative piece to what he has on his shoulders right now. It comes down further in the back. Let me turn him around slightly so you can see. So if you put this on, it does go down further. And if you use this piece instead of that piece, then you would use these 2 pieces to go around the circle and connect. So it would just go like like that, and connect to this. All right. And this one on the other side. So I showed you these two pieces earlier, but I didn't show you exactly where it falls. I don't think. Maybe I did. Anyway, regardless, that's where they go. This is where this goes, in case you want this to be slightly longer in the back. I'm okay with it as is, so I didn't use that. He also comes with two eye patches, this one here, and it's magnetic, and then another one with some gold streaks through it, basically the same, but just gold streaks through it. And I don't know, again, pretty much black and silver. So I don't understand the gold streaks, but that's just me. I am not going to use an eye patch though, because I am deathly afraid of losing them. And lots of luck if you lose them. I doubt you can find them on eBay now. Or if you did, they probably would cost a fortune. So anyway, he is primarily in black and the cape is red and it's nicely pleated. So we will pause now, get him on a turn tray so you can see him from all angles. So let's go around and see what we can see. Wonderful pleats in the back. Again, that other piece, if you want it to be a little bit lower here, you can change that out. All right. So let's pause and get some tighter close-ups from here on out, and then we will get a good look at his face. You can see more details now, and we're going to go around in a second, but I just had to add, Thor started out as very, very serious. And then about halfway through the evolution of his character, he kind of took more on of a comedic role, comedic relief. I couldn't quite figure out why that was happening, but it does kind of make sense now that we look back. Robert Downey Jr. was going to leave. Iron Man was going to die. And he was the comedic relief. Captain America stayed serious throughout the entire series. He was going to leave. So they needed someone who could kind of, I think, I'm just guessing, but someone who could be serious yet comedic as well. That's my guess anyway. Whether I'm right or wrong, I don't know. But it was just strange to see that, not to say that people don't change or grow throughout their entire lifespan, but to see such a character go from really serious to serious and comedic at the same time. So just makes you think maybe that was why. He looks great though. Whether he has long hair or short hair, one eye, both eyes, he looks great. All right, there you go. So we'll get a really good close-up of his face now. This is an awesome head sculpt of Chris Hemsworth. And if I go slightly side to side here, you can see some scarring around his right eye. And a bad haircut day. He's leaning a little to the side. That's why he's kind of moving far across the screen for you guys. But there he is. Here's one last look at our man of the hour, Thor, portrayed by Chris Hemsworth. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.